Good morning, my name is Steve Merk. I'm the Engineering Superintendent at Moulton Niguel Water District, and today I'm here with Matt Crowl, our Inspection Supervisor. I wanted to talk to you today about our valve replacement project. Moulton Niguel Water District was formed in 1960. Our valve replacement project is utilized to be able to replace facilities that we have in the ground for many years, to upgrade and to assure the reliability of our system. Matt's going to talk to you a little bit about the valve replacement project.
So our annual valve replacement project is done through our capital improvement project fund. We hire contractors to come in and replace critical line valves throughout our district. These valves here are large 12-inch diameter gate valves. They are resilient seat gate valves, which means they are no different than your standard gate valve you have in your home, but they are quite large in diameter and they are critical to the safety and reliability of our water system. So here's a valve here that was installed probably in the early to mid 60s. We use a term here called useful life. These valves have done their job and they've been slated for replacement, so this is a bit of a graveyard of some of the stuff that we've been taking out here over the last couple of years to help facilitate our water system.
Thank you, Matt. If you'd ever like any more information on any of our projects that we have at the district, you can always visit our website at www.mnwd.com.